Okay, we're gonna kick it old school here. Old Rockford HE. Uh, 200 watts RMS, 400 watts max power, 1.5 sealed box, or you can go ported with a 4-inch, 10.5-inch long port. And then I got a band pass box with 2 10s. There's the band pass, seen better days, but this thing has lasted me for 10-15 years. 2 10-inch bumpers, can handle 400 watts. Yeah, I think I'll redo the box. Okay, we're gonna go to the car for the amps. So I have a Cliff Designs amplifier. That's gonna run the 210s. Can't remember how many watts that is. And I got this old school Alpine. It's gonna run either that 12-inch sub, or it's gonna run the 2 6x9s that I have up in the back here. These Infinity Kappas. I can't get it good. There we go. And we're gonna box out the trunk. I'm gonna put the amps on a board over here on the right. Upgrade my power wire to a 1 gauge coming in. I'm gonna put a strengthening capacitor right there. And then on the other side, there's a vent that goes out. I think I might put 2 fans in where that vent goes, and just have like a little pipe that goes from there along the back wall here and around to where the amps are going to be. I got to take out these tension bars for the trunk. That's these things right here. And then I'm going to install like a gas shock that will keep the trunk up. And then of course, on the back of the trunk lid, I'm going to Dynamat expansion foam the trunk and see what I could do with that. So that's it, start of the project.